Carshards Auto Group here, located 5028 Tennessee Capitol Boulevard, Tallysales, Florida. Looking at a 2017 Nissan Altima SR. Fully serviced, synthetic oil change. It's already been performed. This is the SR, so this will be the sports model for the Nissan Altimas. As always with a Carshards car, very minimal dings, dents, scratches. Back seat doesn't even look used. Again, SR. Apologize for the glare. This one does have the remote start. And the keyless entry. As you can see, no lights. Again, Carshards Auto Group, reason 5028 Tennessee Capitol Boulevard, Tallahassee, Florida, 32303. Phone number is 850-284-0656. See you guys soon.